Most disaster relief campaigns only have minimal impact because quick and effective communication is often difficult. This is a real problem because turnaround time is usually short, and for a disaster relief campaign to be really effective, there needs to be a well-organized, collaborative funding effort to build critical mass. Unfortunately, most companies just don't have the right tools to enable them to be nimble. Thankfully, SmartSimple has built-in features that enable teams to expedite critical communications and approvals easily when time is of the essence.
When it comes to communications, the best way to display content is to utilize the employee portal. In order to push content to the employee portal, the system admins have the ability to go in and then click on new content, which will allow them to create new disaster relief campaigns right on the spot. The system admin has the ability to look up any existing charities in the system, or if the charity does not exist, they can add the charity in a couple of clicks to the database. Once we select our charity and give the event a name, all we have to do is select the category, and we can also select the start date and the end date of the campaign. These dates will control the visibility of the content on the employee portal. Additional features are also available, such as location-based targeted employee portal promotions. The admin has the ability to upload images. The images really resonate with employees because it makes it easier to understand what impact they're making. Once we publish the content, this disaster relief campaign is now available on the employee portal. Let's jump over to our employee portal and see what it looks like. As we're logged into our employee dashboard, we have the ability to look at some certain statistics about our profile and our progress in a year. But we're focused on donation part of this, so we're going to go under donate. There's certain shortcuts at the top which will allow us to look through causes that we can find and give our money to. Or we can click on make a donation, which will also allow us to add new charities to the system, or we can request a match if the charity that we gave our money is eligible. At the bottom, we have the future causes section, which is also promoted to us through email broadcast. The moment I log into the system, I'll have the ability to see the newly added feature cause right on my portal, and I can click on donate now. That action takes me to a simplified form where the form is smart enough to know which charity we're supporting and which disaster relief campaign we're supporting. At the end of the year, system admins have the ability to roll up all the dollar amounts to a certain disaster relief campaign. The employees have the ability to donate one time, or they can also opt in for a payroll deduction. If I were to select one time, then I have different payment options such as credit card, PayPal. Once we complete the form, all we have to do is confirm the donation details, and once we complete that, we're just going to click on Pay with Card button. This is a native integration that exists in SmartSimple platform with a third-party service provider called Stripe. After entering the final details around our credit card, our donation is ready to be made. Once the donation is made, the system will tell us that the submission is successful, payment is successful, and we will be able to see the amount that we've donated on our dashboard.